BDR garage. Today I'm going to put a new carb. I already took the old one off. Simple 4mm hex. Here's the new one. I got this one. It's like $15. I got the high flow air filter. Carb comes with a fuel filter, fuel lines, gasket. It's nice. So we'll get that installed real quick. And then show you how easy this sucker will fire up. Alright. It was just these two hex bolts. So we'll get those in there. It's nice and easy when you don't have the back tire on to do a carburetor. Makes it really nice. Show you the quick install here. Show you how easy these suckers start off with a brand new carburetor. That's a stiff choke, but I can't loosen it, so I gotta get the space around there. These little crappy Phillips heads, but I don't have anything short enough, so. Just to show you time for time, which I'll pause later when I get the fuel tank back on, so you're not too bored. I'm going to show you how pretty easy it is to just put this stuff on. I'm decently mechanically equipped. I'm not even going to tighten this down. I don't need to. Alright, so that's it. I'll pause you while I get the gas tank on. Actually, I'm going to put a different exhaust pipe on it too. It's going to hold that gas tank in there better so we can fire the sucker up. See you in a bit. Alright, welcome back. Changed out the exhaust and put on the fuel tank. Alright, let's see if we can get some fuel down in the carb. Should have put a fuel filter on there, and then I would have been able to tell easier. Do the new engine start trick. This probably isn't even going to be enough. I might need to put more gas in here. Hard without a radar. Exhaust, carbs hitting, everything's hitting. Way to hold this thing down. Alright, I bet you fuel. I'm going to change the fuel line out. Put the right one on. Alright. I went with a different gas tank. fuel line fuel filter, so now I can see that there's actually going to be fuel in there, if you can still hear me, hopefully. When it runs through that fuel filter, it'll be definitely in there. Alright. I wanted to show you I was putting fresh fuel in there. Kind of keeping it like real time, except skipping the really boring stuff. That actually took me a while, because funny story, I put the fuel filter on backwards. Some people say it doesn't matter, but I like to have know I have it there. Alright. Should put this on a real chassis. Hold it down. I know, but hold on a second. That has been just much better. You can still see me. Keep moving around. This is going to be the most horrible video ever. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, well, I'm not going to go back and redo all this just to show any problems. Using the secret, it's just not, it doesn't want to pull through for whatever reason. So do that a few times, sometimes it pulls the fuel through. So I totally lied about how easy it is to start. Come on, fuel. Valves open. You know, unless I got a... Most of the time when you put these on a regular chassis, actually just about every time, I only had one other engine that was a problem. A brand new engine. Started pretty quick, and then after that, I mean, after I broke it in, I think it was just a pain in the butt. There's no fuel getting into the fuel filter, so it's just not a happy flow for whatever reason. Try and suck it in there this way if I get a little bit in there. Oop. It's starting to come in the fuel filter. The hoses that come with, the real cheap crappy ones, I put them on the upper, put a bigger one on the lower. Because even heating them up, they suck getting them on the carb. They're so small. So put a 1/4 inch or a 3/16 or something on the bottom. I see some fuel. Maybe we can try this one more time. Get some in the bowl. I just want to show you guys this. It's a good motor. Found on the board. Uh-oh. How the hell did that exhaust get loose already? Bear with me. Alright, I just tightened the exhaust, all I did. Well, way to prove me wrong, bike. Maybe because it's a cold day. It's only like 35 degrees out Fahrenheit. Well, fuel's going further into the car, or fuel filter. You can see it now. Longer and longer. See, I don't have a throttle. That helps. Give it a little goose. Too cold for this thing, and I don't have a throttle hooked up, which I really should have done. Too much choke, or not enough choke. All right. I was getting a little shaky. That's what happens when everything's not tight. So, with that said, she runs good. Brand new carb. That's about it, really. New exhaust, but whatever. So, hope this video wasn't too long. She gave me problems, but that's the kind of crap you guys run into. And that's what happens when you don't have a kill switch hooked up, or the choke, or throttle, the choke it on. Put it on choke, full throttle, cuts it out. I tried with the screwdriver, it didn't work. But then I realized that I pulled back the rubber on the kill switch and just grounded it to the body of the motor. That killed it. So, boom. Next, I will be putting it in a pocket bike. Thanks for watching.